Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. We have exponential equation we are going to solve together. We need to solve for y, and they have given to us y power y is equal to 2 power 2y. Let's change the right hand side to be power y. Y power y, this is equal to 2 power 2 power y. 2 power 2 is equal to 4. Y power y is equal to 4 power y. At this stage, we can easily see the first solution since the exponents they are equal, so y equal to 4. But if we do that, we are going to get only one solution and miss the other one. Let us apply log both sides. Log of y power y, this is equal to log of 4 power y. I will bring the power in front. Y log y, this is equal to y log 4. Bring y log 4 to the left hand side. Y log y, take away y log 4, this is equal to 0. Y is common, I will factor it out. I will have y log y minus log 4, this is equal to 0. The left hand side is equal to the form of a multiplied by b equal to 0. The first solution of y is y equal to 0. And the second solution, log y minus log 4 equal to 0. Log y minus log 4, this is equal to 0. Log y equal to log 4. Since this log has the same base 10, now y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Our solutions are y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. Let us do question number 2. We are supposed to solve for x, and they have given to us 3 power x plus 6 over 9 power x plus 1. This is equal to 3 power x. I am going to make the right hand side as a fraction by putting over 1, and then I'm going to cross and multiply. 3 power x plus 6 over 9 power x plus 1, this is equal to 3 power x. I'm going to put this as over 1, then I'll cross and multiply. 1 multiplied by 3 power x plus 6 is equal to 3 power x plus 6. This is equal to 9 power x plus 1 multiplied by 3 power x, which is going to be 9 power x plus 1 multiplied by 3 power x. I'm going to change 9 into base 3. That is going to be 3 power 2. We have 3 power x plus 6. This is equal to 9 is the same as 3 square multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by 3 power x. 3 power x plus 6, this is equal to 3. 2 multiplied by x is going to be 2x. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 3 power x. Let's combine 3 power 2x plus 2 and 3 power x into single base 3. If we have a power m multiplied by a power n, this is equal to a power m plus n. I'm going to use this exponent rule over here. 3 power x plus 6, this is equal to 3 or 2x plus 2 plus x, which will give us 3 power x plus 6. This is equal to 3, 2x plus x is going to be 3x plus 2. Since bases are equal, exponents also are equal. Now, x plus 6, this is equal to 3x plus 2. I'm going to collect the like terms. 6 take away 2. This is equal to 3x minus x, which will give us 4 is equal to 2x. Divide by 2 both sides. By 2, 1, by 2, 1, by 2, 1, by 2. I get 2. Now the value of x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. For more video on exponential equation, you can see my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.